These are NOVSIGHT 3-inch cube lights. In full disclosure, they sent us these for free, and we talk about them. If they're awesome, they'll like us, and they'll probably send us more. If they're crap, we're gonna tell you about them, but they won't like us anymore. They won't send us anything else. So, we're supposed to unbox them in front of everyone. I'm really not an unboxer, but that's what they said. So here they are. Leave my knife out in case they're junk and we gotta cut them up. Let's open them up. We're putting them on Seth's Jeep here. So he's gonna have to eyeball them too. They look like nice lights right out of the box. These are cheap lights, and if anybody knows me, I've got high-end taste. My wife will vouch for that. I've got high-end taste. So cheap products usually aren't my favorite, and these are fairly cheap lights. I'll probably butcher it and tell you how much they are, and they'll be different, but I think they're like 130 bucks. And I'm used to $500 lights. So we're gonna mount them up on Seth's Jeep here and test them out. They got cool little screens that fit pretty nice. They got nice covers, and they've got some pretty nice little amber pieces. So we're gonna mount these up, see if they're nice. And since Seth's Jeep here already has the auxiliary switches, it makes wiring pretty easy. He's got upfit switch kit, so all you have these wires here already ready to go. So we just got to run them from here up to here. Everything else is already hooked up inside the Jeep for the switches. For the sake of speed, we are just zip tying these wires here. These are gonna get mounted differently long term, but in order to test these lights, this was a good way to do it. I would never zip tie these wires like this on a customer's rig, but I'll do it on Seth's rig. He's going to mount these on a different bumper after we test them if they work out nice. So we're going to find out first, before we waste a lot of time putting all these in a way that's going to take a long time. Let me grab some side coats, Sid. It's quick, man. So we just did a quick install on these, nothing fancy. They'll get mounted later as long as they work good, but we just wanted to get them on here fast so we could test them out and see if they're good lights or not. So let's kick them on here, Seth. They're bright. You get a quick look of them here, but we'll take them out and run them at night and see what they really look like. Let's do it.
Seth, what do you think?
I like these lights, they're cool.
So like Seth said, you heard him. We like these lights. He took them out, we ran them, They're super bright. They work out awesome. I love the amber shields that you can stick on them for dust. These are the NOVSIGHT 3x3 cubes. We're gonna leave a link in the description to their site so you can order some up with a promo code in there, give you a little discount if you order a set. So they're pretty nice. We're gonna keep them, we're gonna hang on to them and keep using them, and we're gonna get some more of their products on our rig. So if you wanna get some of their stuff, check it out. Have a good one.